What's going on, guys? We're back with more awkward car reviews, and it's Tincture Tuesday. So we're gonna do a little bit of some LuciJuice. Gotta get our tolerance up. Mostly Kim for the trouble bubble. And when we met up with Chris and Beth, they gave us some of these pork rinds. Super hot baked pigskins. So I'm gonna try this. I need a snack for today, so hoping this will be the snack. And they gave us a little surprise as well. A little
snow globe tumbler.
Yeah, that thing. It's got little floating puzzle pieces for autism awareness. Got a little logo on it.
Oh, so excited.
It looks really cool. So if you need anything like this with whatever you want on it, hit up Miss Scoville Unit and or the Scoville Unit, Chris, and they will take care of you. It looks really awesome.
I love it.
She did a really good job. She's just learning everything, but first time, you can't really beat that.
Yeah.
It's awesome. So Kim will be using this later. But let's get into the porky rind. You want to do this first or the tink first? I think this first. And then wash it out with that.
Yeah, because that's disgusting. I'm not a fan of pigskins. If you haven't figured out, I'm a picky person.
She's picky. If it's spicy, she don't like it. If it's got a weird texture, she don't like it.
The face you just made, I automatically don't like it.
Oh, initial Reaper. So, you know that smell.
You didn't even have to puff it. It's just like a cloud.
Yeah, so curious what this is. If anyone's had it, let us know if you enjoy it, or if you even like pigskins.
I'm taking a nibble.
I can't even put it in your mouth.
God! Oh my God! No.
You didn't even get a piece of it.
No, there's the powder. I inhaled it.
Take a little bit.
No, I already inhaled the powders.
Just break a piece off.
No. Give it to me.
Well, it's a little harder than normal pigskin.
Oh God.
All right.
Ew, Reaper.
It's got a nice layer of powder on it.
That's gross.
So it should be definitely Reaper. Let's see.
It's literally Reaper.
Reaper, Scorpion, 7-Pot, Ghost, garlic powder, onion powder, sea salt, chili. Yeah. All right, let's try it.
Yeah.
Okay.
The powder, you just inhale it. And it's so hard to chew. That's just
It's a lot harder than normal pork rind or pigskins.
It is hard. And the powder, it like didn't stick to it, so you just inhale.
So it's kind of like how a cheese ball, when you crunch into it, it just explodes.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste bad.
You ever watch somebody eat like Cheetos out of a bag with chopsticks? Like, do it on that because it's getting everywhere.
It's not bad.
It is.
It's hard.
Reaper and hard.
Yeah, if it was a little more fluffy, I guess, like your standard, like
soft
pork rind, like more air in it, I guess.
Not trying to break a tooth off.
It's not terrible.
We also have bad teeth, so
definitely get the Reaper burn.
Yeah.
Scorpion, my tongue's a little tingly. I'd say I'm like a 1. I think that hot sauce yesterday was a lot hotter.
Yeah.
Not a lot, but like twice as hot.
The burn was a whole lot different on that too.
Yeah, it was instant. This is like, it's not like covered. Like I can probably eat 2 or 3 more before my eyes start to water.
It's just a cloud.
But yeah, the fact that it just poofs in your mouth.
Literally, as soon as I like, you get the powder, Which is, I swear the powder is just straight Reaper. And then as you crunch, it just, like, falls apart.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's exactly what you think it's going to be. Not a whole lot of flavor.
Oh.
Decent burn.
Can we get Reaper that, like, super flavored? Please?
So we got the LuciJuice. This should have probably about the same burn. This is one of our more mild tinctures. Pineapple flavored.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of more mild peppers in this one compared to the 2.0, which is a little bit hotter. Yeah. It smells like pineapple juice.
Well, am I going first? We don't have Melvin today. We got Nicole walking.
Yeah. No Melvin, just Nicole. So, my lip where the pork rind touched is probably the hottest part of my mouth right now. I got like powder stuck to the top of my throat or something.
I swished that around my mouth and it was just like pork rind powder.
It kicked it out. Nice.
That's my thing too, is I'll like do this stuff on break and then I'll be sitting at my desk and I'll be doing something and it's like...
Yep, comes back. So what do you think? You like it?
It's still one of my top fives.
So you haven't had this in a while. Just gonna do a little bit.
I want to try making more, but we kind of have to move first.
Yeah. So all the cells that we're having is try to clear out.
So
we're not moving it.
So that if I get pulled over, I don't have a army's worth of pepper spray in mason jars in the back of my car.
So you see this? Pretty clear. It's got a little bit of floaties.
It also just reduced
mostly
our risk of incidents.
Yeah. It's pretty much pineapple.
Yeah. And it has been in that bottle for a little bit.
Mm-hmm. So it should give a pretty good burn. So if you haven't done any tincture, this is a good start. I honestly think this one burns a little bit less than Chalky Narrow.
Your Chalky Narrow, yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That habanero burn is pretty...
Sorry, when I think Chalky Narrow, I think mine.
You don't have any.
It was the OG. It was the paste.
I'd say Golem's probably a little bit hotter than this.
Yes, Golem is hotter.
The 2.0 is definitely hotter than this one. But it's a good start. Like
Golem has more flavor, though.
This and the Shire probably be two good starting tinctures for someone that's not used to the pepper burns.
Yes.
There we go. I got a good mouth burn going now.
If you want something for a person that doesn't know if they're really interested, not as hot honey.
Yes, which is delicious.
Because it's tasty. It's not pepper forward, so, you know, like, you get the burn, but you don't have to taste the pepper. But also the fact that the honey takes the burn out real quick.
Faux show.
So get that, and then this when they like the not as hot honey.
Yeah. Definitely recommend.
Or the Shire.
I'm always going to recommend our stuff. We got more of this craziness. I'm thinking about adding some more tink to it to increase the burn. Because right now, like, the only burn you get from that is the cramps.
I really thought you were going to ask to do that again, and I was going to be like, keep on.
Oh, yeah, not right now. Not right now. We'll be back later. Probably with another hot sauce review. We should have 2 or 3 more coming today. And
I was not involved in making these plans. I will not be doing that.
I brought an SRF spicy one we can try too. I'm excited for that one. So yeah, there'll be another video later. If you like really hard pork rinds that explode in your mouth and make you cough,
If you like to be choked out by Reaper.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yes. But okay.
If you like flavored water, vitamin water.
Yeah.
I don't know. We were just like.
Well, we actually reviewed this. But okay.
I'll review this.
Thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you later.
Awkward car review.
Happy Tincture Tuesday and get your tolerance up.
Maybe.